Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you guys how to insert 3D models into the Microsoft Word documents. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is to select the Insert tab up at the top, and you want to select above illustrations where it says 3D models. Go ahead and left click on that, and you can select various 3D models from the Microsoft catalog here. And once you have found one that you like, you can just select the insert button and give it a movement here, and you can change the dimensions and the orientation of whatever image you would like. So pretty neat feature here guys, and you can see you guys can change the orientation of it, you can flip it around, you can change the interior angle of the positioning of the image as well, which is pretty cool, and at least I think it is, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching. This brief tutorial will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.